Have you ever seen how cool a dragon fruit plant looks like? Let us watch the growth in time-lapse. We are starting by putting the seeds in a petri dish in tap water. Since dragon fruit is a light germinator, it doesn't need to be covered with soil for the germination process. Already after some days, we can see that the seeds start to germinate. It is still hard to see how the plant will look like at this stage. Let's repot 2 of the seedlings into some soil to see how it turns out. While the first leaves still somehow look like normal leaves, the growth after that changes completely. It started to show its real look. A little cactus is growing. While the growth is rather slow in the beginning, it started to grow faster and faster. More hairy needles are growing on the edges of the cactus, and it's getting bigger and bigger. And now let's see how it further turns out to grow.